Hi, I'm Carmen. This is how you brew coffee for two using the classic Chemex. Here's what you need: a grinder, a weighing scale, Gooseneck kettle, drinking straw, a Chemex filter paper, a Chemex, and something to stir with. Today, I'll be brewing Finca San Antonio Chaguite. This recipe produces 300 grams of delicious coffee with a clean mouthfeel. First step, place the filter paper in the Chemex brewer with the thick side facing the spout. Weigh 20 grams of beans and grind them on a medium coarse setting. Next, rinse the filter. Discard the water and all that air from the 1940s and then place it on the weighing scale. Put the grinds in the Chemex, make sure the coffee bed is even, and heat 0 on the scale. Start the timer and pour 60 grams of water in a circular motion over your coffee bed. Stir until fully saturated. Enjoy the aroma for 30 seconds. Now pour the water in a circular motion until the weigh scale reads 300 grams. Remember the filter's a taker, so if you're making a full carafe, it may take a little longer than usual. Pro tip: slide a fat plastic straw between the filter and the channel before you do the drawdown. It will stop this from happening. And before we enjoy this delicious clean cup of coffee, remember to do this and drop into slow motion. Subscribe to the PPP Coffee channel on YouTube to discover more coffee hacks. Happy brewing! I'll see you next time!